This video walks you through how to duplicate a test invoice in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before opening any invoice, make sure test mode is enabled. This matters because the invoice you want to duplicate needs to be in the test environment, not in live data. If test mode is off, switch it on and confirm that you are viewing test records before moving forward. Once you are in the correct mode, go to the billing section and open Invoices. This takes you to the list of invoices in your Stripe account. From here, find the test invoice you want to copy and open it so you can view its details. Make sure you select the correct invoice before continuing, especially if the list includes several records with similar amounts or dates. With the invoice open, look to the upper right corner of the page for the More Actions menu, shown as three dots. Click that menu to open the available actions for the invoice. In the list that appears, select Duplicate Invoice. Stripe will use the existing invoice as the basis for a new draft invoice. After the duplicate is created, you will be taken to the draft version. At this stage, review the copied information and make any changes you need. You can edit the customer, adjust invoice items, update payment terms, or revise other details on the draft. If the original invoice was only meant to serve as a starting point, this is where you shape the new version before it is finalized. When the draft looks correct, click Review Invoice. This gives you a final verification step before the invoice is locked in. Take a moment to confirm that the customer, line items, totals, and terms reflect what you want on the duplicated invoice. If something still needs to be changed, return to the draft and update it before proceeding. Once the review is complete, choose how you want to finish. If you are ready to email the invoice, click Finalize and Send. If you want to save the invoice without sending it yet, click Finalize only instead. Both options finalize the duplicated invoice, but only one sends it out immediately. The main point to watch throughout this process is that you stay in test mode from the beginning, since that keeps the duplicate tied to your test records and avoids mixing it with live invoices. After you finalize or send, the duplicated invoice will reflect the draft you reviewed rather than changing the original invoice you copied from. Your test invoice has now been duplicated in Stripe as a new draft invoice and finalized or sent based on your selection.